such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Hey lovely ladies, welcome back to another lovely video. Hi, my name is Audrey. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the lovely family. So on today's video, we are changing it back up for today, back to our roots of Kiss press-on nails. This is the Majestic nail set, medium length, and y'all know, if you don't know, let me tell you, these right here, they're a pretty penny. They're like $14.99. The least I've seen is $14.99 for these packs. In TJ Maxx, maybe over a month ago now, I've seen these for $5.99. TJ Maxx, $5.99. $10 discount. Had to swoop them up, had to pick them up and show y'all. So these jewels are so cute. Definitely going to be looking on Amazon to get more inspiration, to find these, to do more inspiration for the other kind of nails that I do now. But I also wanted to show y'all this and let y'all know about TJ Maxx and getting these nails. So these come, they're 30 reusable nails. They come with mega adhesive tabs and glue. So this has the tabs, the sticky tabs, and the glue in them. So it says new. So we're gonna try it together. If you are interested on how they're gonna look, stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all, this is the finished look. I had a little difficulty with the glue and had to switch the glue to a different Kiss glue, but this is the final result. They're cute, cute. I feel like this is kind of like a, I forgot what it's called. Aura nail. I do want to try that. So if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I hope you consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Love yours.